Namaste.
Namaste to all of you.
Namaste.
Nice seeing you all after so many days.
Same here.
Uh, I'm myself Malisa Mishra. I'm from Bhubaneswar right now, and I'm a teacher by profession. And I was introduced to Healy by Kadambariji. So for me, from past, I think 6 to 7 months, rigorously, I'm using Healy on myself and all my family members, whomsoever they believe in the system. First thing is my father, I will tell. He is 95 plus, and from June, probably I'm using on him. His first problem, which he was suffering from, which I had noticed, was prostate issue, where urination frequency was too high, and he was literally getting, he was feeling harassed every time. So after using Healy for nearly 21 days prostate program, now medication has stopped as it is, but he has come out completely from that problem. Second thing is, every day he was telling eye problem past 3 years. How many doctors we might have taken to him? He always used to tell us, "You are not taking us to a good to me. You're not taking me to a good doctor. The doctors are not well educated. They are only telling only what is this aged. I'm aged. It's fine." But that doesn't mean that we don't have any remedy for this. No medicine for me. This can never happen. Doctors are not good. Hospitals are not good. So many complaints. And then I started using this eye harmony. And eye harmony also, there are 2 to 3 ways. In 2 to 3 programs, I'm having that. So when I used, slowly, he was recovering, but he was not very happy. One day, what I did, which I mean, you should understand, you should not do that way. All the 3 programs of eye, I gave it to him, and his eyes became red. So red that I was scared what happened. Then my husband told probably he got more frequency. Then I stopped. After that, maybe 10 days, I saw slowly, so the redness reduced. But after that, till now, his eyes, not even a single drop of water comes. Yes, when he eats, when all of us eat, little bit of chili is there here and there, that's fine. But that kind of eye mein se pani girna, that has completely stopped. This is a very good, a victory moment for me, I can say I'm sharing, because we were so frustrated because of his eyes. Third thing which I'm telling now is, before maybe 1 month or maybe 2.5, 2 months before, he was detected with Parkinson's. 95 plus, we can't understand, I mean, the reasons why, but then yes, he was suffering. Suddenly, he stopped walking. And then so much of fear for him to walk. Every moment he was feeling, I will fall down, I will fall down. And never he wanted to get down from the bed also. With more lot of difficulty, I was pushing him. I remain side by side. I help him out. So that time, I was really surprised what to do, how to help him. Doctors recommended few medicines that yes, he's suffering from Parkinson and you have to keep him under medication for lifelong. As many years he'll be alive. Okay, fine. Now he lives there with me. How will I use? What program should I use? I got completely baffled. And then I started asking Kadambariji, please help me. What should I do? She said, go to White app, put Parkinson's and find out what are the recommendation, the programs, I mean, the devices are showing. And then I followed the protocol. Each day from that day, 2 programs, Monday, Tuesday, schedule is there fully. And then I started giving him, believe me, today my father is eating on his own, going to washroom on his own, 95 plus, okay? Sleeping very well, watching TV very well, he is even able to put the channel correctly on TV. The numbers was not able to remember. And evening I was taking shower, telling it is morning for me now. Now that problem has gone. Kitchen में bathroom सोचते थे, bathroom में कुछ और सोच, that confusion was going on his mind. That has got solved. For me, Healy is actually become a god, because uh, parents are happy at home is ultimately will be happy at home, right? Likewise, my father was also getting very irritated. Too much of anger issues were there because of Parkinson's. Emotional outburst was very high. He used to scold like anything. The moment I wake up and go to see him, how he is, he starts scolding me. I should die. This is not the way a person should remain alive. This, that. And first thing, when you listen all this to my parents, how harassing it will be, right? But now, after using homeopath every day in the night, nothing. He smiles and wakes up. We wished each other Hari Om. I say Hari Om Baba. He says Hari Om. And then we start talking. It's such a beautiful, the days have become so beautiful for me. Healy is literally next to Durgama for me, truly speaking. This is for my father. Keeping aside my father's issues, now a nephew who is staying in London, he's all alone over there. One day he fell sick, And then my sister said that he's not feeling well. Can you run some programs for him? I asked him his photo and whatever protocol we had to follow, I followed. And then I didn't know what to run. I just ran for him well-being. Next day, he's calling his mom and telling that, ask Masi, did she put for me any programs? Because I didn't take any medicine. Though paracetamol was there, I didn't take, but I'm feeling very good now. No fever, nothing. I'm going for work now. Then immediately my sister asked me, I said, yes, I put for him for nearly 3 to 4 hours. And now I don't know what is his condition. You tell me. She said he is very fine and he has already gone to office. This is distant healing also, that too I'm telling. On me, you can see, you can hear, of course, because I'm suffering from cough and cold. No medication, nothing from past 3 days. I have come out of this phlegm problem, cough. I was constantly using, not constantly, directly I've taken 2 to 3 times a day. And now 90% relief I have got. So this is what Healy does if regularly and properly being used as per protocol.